out. My wife, she did that. We had Annalise kids over the weekend. They were gone. So I'm going to take those two little perennials away and I'll find some grasses. They're shorter ones, okay?
Yeah, great.
You kind of do 3s and 5s, and then sometimes we'll end cap them together. It's kind of what we were doing. And then the yellow ones, you know, we got 2, and we kind of not every other one, but 2 and 1. And yes, we kind of try to mix them up and match them. And